And you're not going to hear about this from any other influencers, I guarantee it. I remember when I was first getting into crypto, there was another guy who went to my college who I'd been friends with for a little while, and he had gotten into crypto about a year prior. He showed me at one point his portfolio when I was just getting started, and it was about 30 grand, and he had it only in a couple coins. So I saw 30 grand, and I thought that was a massive amount. You know, that was way more money than I had as a 19 or 20-year-old college kid. What ended up happening with his portfolio is within a year from that time period, from when I first got started in 2017, he sent me a screenshot and his portfolio was now at $1 million. So from $30,000 to $1 million in less than a year while he was still going to college. And that was the huge thing for me. I'm like, holy crap, he doesn't even have to get a job afterwards if he doesn't want to. And that is not really possible anymore in the big market cap coins, turning $30,000 into 1 million plus, right? But where that is possible is in coins like the one I'm going to tell you about today. This is a low market cap coin, and you're not going to hear about this from any other influencers, I guarantee it, until it's already probably above 10 or 20 million market cap, right? But you see, I don't have a big following at all, so I can gain nothing by talking to you guys about this coin besides trying to help you out, just like I am trying to help myself out by buying this coin, right? Now, I'm not recommending that you buy it, but I'm simply going to talk about it, and then that's going to be your decision whether you decide to put any money in this coin at all. And I have to tell you, whatever you put in this coin or any low market cap coin like 10 million or under, you need to expect to not get any money out of that, because what's going to happen is this is either going to go completely to zero, or it will bring you 10x, 20x, 30x, 40, 50, 100x from your investment. But whatever money that you put in, you need to be prepared to lose. Now, the coin I'm showing you today is called HILO, H-I-L-O, and we're looking at it here on the screen. Now, this is Dex Tools, and this is a website that you can use to look at really low market cap coins, a lot of which are meme coins that end up rugging. So, you know, they completely go to zero, and that could happen with this. But the thing about HILO is they are an options trading platform, and you're getting in right now if you were to buy this, and I already have bought it, but I bought it actually at a slightly higher valuation. So if you look over here, total market cap is 225,000 right now. I got it when it was about $250,000. And when you think about that, that means the total amount that anyone has invested in this coin is $225,000 right now. So for this to go to a $1 million market cap, which is still extremely tiny, that's already a 4x on any money that is put in at this moment, right? So that's an insane risk reward right there, because let's say you put in $100, right? It goes to zero, you lose $100. But I believe it's far more likely this goes to $1 million market cap, $10 million market cap, and beyond. And so your risk reward is just massive, absolutely massive. You look at Bitcoin, right? In order to 2x your investment right now, Bitcoin's sitting at, let's say, around $21,000 today. In order to 2x your investment on Bitcoin, it has to go all the way to $42,000, right? That's a large gain in dollar percentage, right? This coin right here is sitting at 0.002 cents, right? So it just has to go to 0.0046, and you already have 2x your investment. So it has to go from a $225,000 market cap to a $450,000 market cap. So all it needs is an additional $225,000 from some rich whale or multiple people putting in just small amounts of money, and your investment is already 2x. So that's how you need to be looking at investments, thinking in terms of risk reward and how easy is it for this coin to 10x, 20x, or 100x. Because Bitcoin, let me tell you, it ain't gonna 100x overnight, and it probably will never 100x, okay? But this coin at 225,000 market cap, if it 100x, that wouldn't even be in the top 10 of cryptocurrencies by market cap, okay? So it has huge potential. So let's talk about HILO a little bit more and exactly what it is. So you can see right now on the chart that I have up, it really just began, okay? So it's just released the token. As far as I know, it doesn't have any sort of pre-sale by any investors. I don't see how it could because it only has $225,000 market cap, and any VC, like the minimum for venture capitalist investments, is pretty much going to be around $1 million. So this doesn't even have a quarter of that in market cap. So as far as I know, there's no sort of pre-sale or anything. So you'd be getting in at ground level, and I have already gotten in right now at ground level. And you look at this chart right now and it hasn't pumped yet, right? And obviously it couldn't have pumped because it's only at $250,000 market cap, okay? So I think that it has just absolutely massive, massive potential. And what exactly is HILO? Let's hop over and check it out on CoinGecko, which is by far my preferred coin research website. And so you check it out, it says it's down 20% today. Doesn't matter. What you need to be paying attention to is this fully diluted valuation, which is the market cap, and that's $233,000. That is so tiny. Even if this was, let's say, $1 million and it's already 4x'd by the time you watch this video, that doesn't matter because that's such a tiny market cap still. The potential is there to go 10x, 40x, 100x from that point, I believe. So looking at it, let's head over to their website here and I'll explain a little bit what it is. So right now, they were supposed to already release their platform, but it's been a bit delayed. But the team on Twitter has been communicating. So they've been talking about it. This is one thing that you want to watch out for if you're investing in a coin is the team who's building this project, are they communicating with investors and letting them know what's going on? Because, you know, if this project didn't have a Twitter, didn't have anything going on to where I couldn't tell whether the team was dead or alive, then I probably wouldn't invest in it, even though it looks like it has potential. But the team's communicating. They're saying, hey guys, sorry it's taking longer than we thought it would, but we're trying to make it right. And that's a respectable thing. They don't want to release a product that is not ready yet. So looking at the website, you can see a simplified crypto predictions platform, no risk of liquidation, hedge against volatile markets, bi-directional access to tokens that have no perpetual futures listing. So essentially what this is an options platform. And if we look at, I'm going to hop over back to CoinGecko. One of the most common options platforms that I can think of is, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I always pronounce it like HIRO, but HXRO. And I think, who's the influencer that is involved with them? Crypto Messiah, he's involved with them, or Messi, the original one. I know there's two. But right now, you look at this market cap, okay, and this is an options platform just like HILO, except I believe HILO is going to be decentralized. So it's definitely a little more, you know, my speed, because if it is decentralized when it comes out, or even if it is centralized, let's look at this potential here, because this is insane. Right now, HXRO is at 46, almost 47 million market cap, okay? Yes, million market cap. So let's hop on the calculator here and check this out. So we're looking 46 million market cap. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, 4, 6, we'll just go ahead and put it all in. 5, 1, 5. Okay, so this is your 46, almost 47 million market cap. Now we're going to divide that by the $225,000 market cap that right now HILO is. Okay, look at this. If HILO were to reach the same market cap that HXRO is at right now, that would be a 208x from the price point. To put that in perspective, if you put $100 into HILO, or I put $100 into HILO, look at this. 208 times $100. Your $100 would be almost $21,000 if it reaches the market cap that HXRO is at right now. And that's totally feasible because even HXRO at 47 million market cap, I believe is undervalued because it's the main player in the options space in crypto right now. So this is undervalued, and HILO is 208 times less valued than HXRO at the moment. So to say that this could be a gold mine if all goes well is a massive, massive understatement, okay? So let's look at the white paper on HILO real quick. And like I said, you know, there really aren't too many competitors besides HXRO in the crypto space. If you look at, let's just go on CoinGecko real quick. And if you look at the options platforms by market cap, you know, some of these do something similar, but really the main competitor is HXRO right here. And if you look down here, you know, HILO is not even on this list right now. So essentially, this is the lowest market cap options platform that is going to be released, by the way, in the next couple days. And you're able to get in at ground level if you so choose. And I definitely choose. So let's again look at their white paper here. They don't have much on it. And this is to be expected for a coin that has less than 1 million market cap. There's not going to be too much on there because they're still working it out. You know, this is like getting into a company at absolute infant level, okay? So they got their standard disclaimers. Let's look at the HILO token framework. So essentially, this is what happens. So you have some HILO tokens, and these HILO tokens are going to be used on the dApp that they're developing and about to release. So connect your HILO wallet, connect your wallet to HILO dApp, activate the amount of HILO you will use in the binary options votes, check the countdown timer for the next pool opening. So you can read this, go on the website and read this at all. But let's just look at some other stuff. HILO predictions. A pool for ETH opens at a price of 1,200. The entry period takes 1 hour, and HILO users can vote for higher or lower and deposit HILO amount for their entry. After 1 hour, the entry closes, the pool gets locked. The price action monitoring starts immediately, and the pool closure lasts for 23 hours. If the price of ETH goes up, everybody votes higher and takes out prizes in proportion to the size of the deposit. If the price of ETH goes down, everybody that voted lower takes out prizes in proportion to the size of the deposit. So that's options in its simplest form, and that's what this platform does. In the rare event that ETH remains constant at plus or minus 0%, it is a draw between two sides of the vote, and all the pool HILO amount gets burned. So this is interesting, right? Because that scenario right there would reduce HILO supply. So any other HILO tokens that you have, the supply is now reduced, which that reduces inflation, okay? Because that's a burned amount of supply that was fixed before, and now total supply has gone down. So in theory, that makes the rest of your HILO tokens more valuable. So I kind of like that. So they don't really have much on tokenomics yet, okay? They do say maximum supply of HILO is 100 million, okay? So if the HILO token was to go to $1, okay, if it went to $1, they would still only be at 100 million market cap. To put things in perspective, if we look on CoinGecko again, this is the top 100 coins by market cap. And this coin, Kava, at 100th place is almost 400 million market cap. So HILO would be 25% of the value of that if it went to $1. And if it went to $1, that would be what is that? Like a more than 100x from this price point. So I think you get the point. Instead of me just rambling on, I think you should check out the HILO website for yourself, decide if it's something you want to do. But this is a coin that I am putting a small amount of money in. Now, let me remind you, this can go to 0 or it may 100x your investment. Who knows? That's for you to decide, but this is something that I've decided to put some money in because I believe it has the potential to at least reach the market cap of HXRO. And If it does that, that would be a 208x from this time. So we're gonna come back to this video once we see in a couple months what HILO ends up doing, so that we can see, was it a good investment or was it not a good investment? And I have a feeling that it's gonna turn out to be an absolute rocket ship once people start to hear about this coin.